All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back here for another recap video. So today we traded mainly KZIA, which was the main winner for me today. It didn't give the biggest move, but I was able to get some decent profits on it. On this stock, up $740, finishing the day up about 850 bucks on the day. So nice, solid base hit kind of day, nice solid green day. Didn't make it to four figures today. But with a little bit of tweaks, a little bit of increasing the size, I could have definitely have been a four-figure day, but definitely still happy with the performance today. We traded a bunch of stocks today, but mainly KZIA was the winner for me today. So let's take a look. KZIA. So this one, yesterday we started trading this one, and I was red. I was red on KZIA. I think I was down like 80 bucks yesterday on KZIA, which went from 20 cents up to $1. Don't ask me how I was red on it, but I was red. And that does happen from time to time. Even experienced traders that have been in the game for many years still lose money on stocks that go up. So it's definitely not a rare thing to happen. But today we formed a little bit of a kind of a flat top here. We broke out then pre-market, pulling back again, and then also holding the higher low. And then at the open, curling up for the break of the pre-market highs. It was a little choppy in this area. I didn't make much profits in that area just because it was so choppy. I did buy this pullback. I was looking for a micro pullback. I think here, yeah, I'd look for a micro pullback here at 116, and then I'm stopping down at the low. We curl up, maybe I catch the breakout, and then looking for that quick pullback here to the previous high at 120, 122, looking for the next leg higher, but then we flush all the way down here to 114. So getting chopped around in that area, but once we started to pull away into the halt, that's where I started to make the majority of my profits on KZIA. We can take a look at the live trading archive just to see exactly the trades that I took. So BDRX at the open, no good. No good. BDRX was really bad today. So let's move over to KZIA. At this point, yeah, so we're halted up, and I'm only up $5. So I didn't make any money in this area. I didn't make any money in that area. But let's see what happens here. So we resume. Looks like I do an instant buy kind of thing. Looks like I do an insta buy as we resume higher. Looking for a surge. Okay, looks like I was out a little bit too early. I was like a break-even trade there. I think I made $3 on it. Now looking for the dip. So we did have a micro dip there, down to like 140, but I didn't take it. Now we're up 145. So maybe that could have been maybe a 4 or 5 cent winner there. Here you dip down again. Looking for another push. So I was in at 42. I think maybe out at 43 or something like that, or 44. So I was like a 2 cent winner. And pushes up to 150. I think I go for the break of 150 here. Okay, catch a little pullback there at I was in at 134. I was looking for that push, a retest of 150, but once I saw that red on the tape, I did take it off for break even, or actually no, for maybe a half a cent loss there. Now looking for the dip. Nice flash dip. My instinct was to buy there. Usually, if this does get pinned to the halt level and it closes and we're actually in the halt down, this would turn out to be a losing trade more times than not. And these turn out to be my biggest losses. But I got bailed out. I was very lucky. Very, very lucky. The market gods bailed me out of this position here. 1,500 shares at 129. And it turned out to be a false halt. Taking it off at 131. Again, I don't know how I'm getting filled at 131 when it bounced up to like 135. Anyways, taking that dip again at 132. Can we see a push? Nice. Adding into that position a little bit too late. Up at 142. But it still looks like I got out with some profits there. one out at 144 and out at 145. So that was a really nice trade. Really nice trade. So we had the false halt that bailed me out. And then after the false halt, as I was seeing it was holding those levels there at 131, getting in, we had that nice push, adding into the winner, and taking it off for profits near the highs. So very nice. Now it's looking good for the break of 150. Looks like I sized up there to 2,500 shares. And not quite. It's not quite ready yet. Not quite ready yet. So kind of chopping around there, waiting for the right time. It could be a good entry there, right off that previous candle, the halt level there, at the previous halt level. That would have been a good entry there. That was a nice trade right there. That was a nice trade. Nice, maybe 4 or 5 cent winner there. 2,500 shares. It's like 125 bucks. Quick. It was a quick scalp. Now I could probably do that tomorrow on 5K shares. Gotta do it tomorrow on 5K shares. The day after, 7,500 shares. But yeah, nice. Nice little quick scalp there. That was a break-even trade. Still looks good for the break of 150. That's what I'm looking for. And here we go. Are we pushing? See, as you can see, there's a lot of indecision here. So I'm kind of getting in and getting out as I see it's not going, when I see the green on the tape, or when I see that there's a support. So I'm giving it some time here. Okay, next candle opens. Let's see the break of 150. Got the break of 150. In at 145, out at 157. That's a nice 12-cent trade there on 2,500 shares. So that was about a $300 winner, and that puts me up 640 on the day. So very nice trade. Yeah, it was just about being patient, waiting for the right opportune time for the breakout, and also timing the re-entry after the false halt. So very decent trades there. Could do it on bigger size. I need to do this on bigger sizes. That would have been terrific. That would have been absolutely terrific. Could have been a 1K day, but it is. I'll take what we got. I'll take what we got, and be ready for the next one. Be ready to push it harder for the next one. But it was definitely a good addition, definitely a good confidence builder today here on KZIA, and that was pretty much it. We didn't get much after that. We start going backside. Looks like I was able to kind of get some small scalps in there to inch my way back up. Maybe 740. Yeah, looks like I stopped up 740. Yeah, that's about right. 740. And BDRX kind of just crap. Trying to just crap today. I thought it would be better. I thought BDRX, remember in the pre-market pump, I was saying BDRX looked the best because we had news. It was a low float, decent price range, and we broke out pre-market. It was looking good for the opening surge, but we just had the opening dump all the way into a halt down, resuming lower and continuing lower and lower and lower and lower and lower and lower and lower without any significant bounce. So the longs got annihilated on BDRX. For those longer hold time traders, I hope you followed your discipline and followed your rules and cut the loss. And those traders who are looking for the infamous curl up off the lows, who are trading it down here at $1.05, $6, $7, $10, looking for that infamous curl, red to green, I hope you also cut your loss because it did continue lower. So quite unfortunate, BDRX did not give us really any momentum today, and I was optimistic on BDRX. I was optimistic, but finishing on that one, $50 on BDRX. A lot of other trades on just kind of nothing really. We had NEXI, NEXI started running midday. But this one was another tricky one. One of those stocks that had large spreads. Definitely tricky to manage your risk. But did give us some solid opportunity. All the way from... We opened up at $2. So yesterday's low was $2. Today we're topping out at 7. So very nice move. Very good to see moves like this. But the spreads were very wide. Very tricky to manage your risk. And... yeah, you really just had to kind of be ready to time those dips, and also, not getting faked out, and not getting crap fills on the ask, and not trading low quality setups. Because if you're trading low quality setups and you're over trading, then you're going to be losing on the spread. So got to take those high quality trades on these type of action, because it's hard to take a break-even trade. There's really no such thing as a break-even trade here on NEXI. The break-even trade is a loss on the spread, and the spread on this stock was 10 to 15 cents. So taking a break-even trade here is down 10 cents. So you can't really afford to take too many of those before you're deep in the red. And that's why I wasn't really able to hold on to any profits here on NEXI. Next stock, we had, is it LCFY? Did this one make a move? I don't remember this one. Yeah, we did have a move here at 10. Nice kind of grindy until we started to pull away. But by this time, I was late to the party. I was late to the party here in LCFY. We did see a nice breakout here, but followed by a nice strong rejection that just obliterated the longs. So small green on LCFY. And yeah, I just was too late to the game. I just saw it kind of grinding up on lower volume. I was like, I don't really like it. I don't really trust it. It's just kind of just grinding up. And then it just starts pulling away. I'm like, all right, well, I guess I'm going to have to start trading it. And yeah, I didn't really make much on it. But yeah, LCFY. What else did we have? We had MLGO. I don't think that was that good, though. Yeah, Tesla. So Tesla was up big for about 4 or 5 days in a row. And we were definitely due for a pullback. News came out that the robo-taxis were delayed. Robo-taxis production was delayed. Then just took a dump. And I was able to kind of scalp this here on the bottoming tail here, right under 250. So pulling back. I knew we were due for a bounce. Jump in there and caught a nice, I think it was like $2 a share. $2 a share here from like 47 or 48 up to like to break back over 50. So I was able to secure some small profits there on Tesla, $60. I'll definitely add it to the winnings on today, up about 850, and that was the day. Market still seems to be warming up. We had a couple hot days yesterday. Had some hot stocks, and the day before some good action. So I want to see this continue. I want to see some more action for tomorrow to close out the week strong. And so far, doing very well. So the only thing left to do is just push more size, wait for those high quality setups. So hopefully you guys are dialed in today and took home some cash out of either KZIA or NEXI or Tesla. If you're going short, if you're a large cap trader, hopefully you secured some profit on going short on Tesla. We're definitely due for a pullback. But yeah, maybe we base out here on Tesla and curl back up at some point. Maybe we base out and curl for a bounce. Who knows when that will happen. But I'm not mainly a large cap trader. Mostly focus on small caps. But yeah, nice green day. Can't really complain too much, but gonna review like always, study up and prepare for the next day. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hit that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Also, if you are interested in the full live archive, you guys can sign up on MMU, which is the link down in the description. If you're interested in the Triad Trading Archives, it's about $13 a month for a year, and for an entire year, so it comes out to $195. And you guys can watch my full live trading archive that I trade every single day, and you guys can compare your trades if you would like, and you'd probably get some good value out of it. And also, if you're interested in the course, Merciless Markets course, the strategy that they teach is what I use every single day. Every single day I trade this strategy, and it is proven profitable for many traders. However, it's never guaranteed. Trading success is never guaranteed. And if you're interested in becoming a member or becoming a student for Merciless Markets University, Diamond or Gold, the link will be down in the description to sign up. So thanks again, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.